Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Arson Woods. Another beautiful set here, a 311 sofa set, is coming straight from the catalog, and the actual set you can see here now. When I'm talking about catalog, what happens is online, when you go to different sites or you go on Google and type Royal Furniture, you will see a lot of pictures without logos, and these are with the chandeliers, carpets, French window, and other complete setup. And generally, these pictures are in large number on internet. Catalog images are made by software, they're not actual sets, and the fabrics and the colors are all done by system, the software. But the set you are looking at here is an actual real set. We can touch it, we can show it to you from all the angles, 360-degree, because this is an actual stuff you're sitting here. We are getting pictures from across the globe. People are picking pictures from Italian furniture, from Middle East, from Turkey, and from different parts of the world and sending to us, and we are making that in real here and sending out. This is one set I'm showing you. The colors, the fabrics, and the design is client's choice. Teak wood and teak gold paint. It has got a three-seater and two Maharaja chairs sitting on both sides. I'll start with the three-seater here is 7 feet out and out. The back height till this point is 46 inches and front to back this is 28 inches. The difference in this set from the other one is the curves on the handles. Generally you see straight handles without cushion or with cushion, but this has got a curve here, and quilting is on the entire thing inside, including the handles here. This curve gives a different look to the set because this is not generally available in all the sets. Mostly you see straight type of handles. The design itself is quite beautiful, and it will give you a different look when it's placed in your living room. And similarly, we have two chairs that are also quite heavy from the other designs that I've shown you earlier. Out and out, this is 3 feet, back height is 4 feet, and front to back, this is more than 30 inches, around 32 inches front to back, because this is a heavy chair and in a Maharaja style. If you have a look on the chair, everything from the top, the sides, and even the back has got carving. I'll show you the back in a moment. The quilting that we have inside, similarly we have got quilting on the outer area of the unit, and it has got a heavy look that we get in our kind of units. The table you see is 42 inches square, 3.5 feet square, with a hard top, so you can place a glass or a marble or a granite, onyx, whatever you want to keep on it, and it's ready to serve. About the chair, as I mentioned, this has got little back carving also, just like the front one, and rest everything is quite plain fabric. But it's a heavy chair, good looking, and a Maharaja set, as you can see. When we go in teak wood, we have several options for the colors. We can go for light finish, the darker finish, and then the paint colors. In paint, I've shown you mostly all the colors, the gold, the copper, that is also called rose gold. Then silver, I've shown white, off-white, white with highlighting, off-white with highlighting. And the most liked color is sitting in front of you. Across the globe, we have sent this particular color, and people have liked it everywhere. Fabric is as per the client's requirement. Whichever color you like, we'll provide you the option, and then we can go from there. The density of the cushion is 40. It's neither too hard nor too soft, and the work is handcrafted. This is not machine made, this is made by hand. The artisan's work and the designing also by hand on rice papers. By pencil, they draw everything, and then finally you get to see such output. Sitting on a set like this gives a different look, different feeling, because these are not easily available kind of sets. It takes a lot of time to create something like this, and definitely it will be there for years and years to come once it comes and placed in your living room. You want to change anything, you want a bigger set, you want more number of seats, you want to change the color, the fabrics, and you want anywhere in India or outside India, let us know. We can do that for you. This one is going to Chittoor, and the work you can see here. Hope you like it. Request you for a few comments of yours. Let us know how we are doing. Thank you so much.